Hello, so let's see programming problem number 841, keys and rooms from LeetCode. So the input which is provided to us over here is a list of lists, and each list within the list has a few numbers in it. So what this input signifies is basically this list is a list of rooms. So if we look at this input example, so in this there are a few rooms. So this is room number 0, this is room number 1, 2 and 3. So these are the room numbers, and in the first list at index 0 there is integer 1 which specifies that this room has the key for room number 1. So if you reach this room, then inside it you will find the key for room number 1, and then you can go ahead and open room number 1. And when you get inside room number 1, there is this at index 1 there is this list which has integer 2 in it. So this means that you have keys of room number 2 in room number 1, and so on and so forth. So what we have to find out is whether we can reach all the rooms or not, and it is provided that you can enter room number 0 without any keys. So this problem could be treated as a graph traversal problem. So the rooms could be represented as nodes. So if we take the first input, so we have 4 rooms, so we can label them as 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now in room number 0 there is a key for room number 1, which means that we can go from 0 to 1. So there is an edge from 0 to 1. Then in 1 there is this key for room number 2. So from 1 we can go to 2. And then in 2 there is this key for room number 3. So from 2 we can go to 3. And then in 3 there is no key, it is empty. But as you can see in the graph, all the nodes are reachable. So if we do a traversal, either BFS or DFS on this graph, and if we are able to visit all the nodes, then it means that the result would be true since all the rooms are reachable. If we take the other input example, let's see what happens in that. So it has this is the second input. So this has 0, 1, 2, 3. Again 4 rooms. So let's create a graph out of it. So 0, 1, 2 and 3. So in room number 0, as you see, there are keys for 1 and 3. So from 0 we have edges from to 1 and 3. In room number 1 we have 3, 0 and 1. So in room number 1 we can go to 3, we could go to 0, and we could stay here. I mean, we have the key for the same room. Then in room number 2 there is just the key for room number 2 itself, so something like this. And room number 3 there is a key for room number 0, so something like this. So as it is obvious in this graph, all the nodes are not reachable. Like the 2 lies in a disjoint graph as compared to 0, 1 and 3. So we can use a graph traversal technique like BFS, wherein we can take a queue and start from the 0th node and start traversing the neighbors and putting it in the queue. And also whenever we enter an element in the queue, we also put in the visited set so that we do not visit the same node again. And at the end we can check whether the length or the size of this set is equal to the number of nodes that we have in the graph. And if it is, then it signifies that while doing the BFS we were able to visit all the nodes. So if you want to check out the code for this approach, please check the link in the description. Thank you.